Do you know you can make up to 10,000 naira daily selling just bread buns? You think it's a lie? Let me show you how. In this video, I'll show you how to make this bread buns and also the cost breakdown for this. Very easy recipe. In a bowl, you are going to measure out flour and you sieve it. For this recipe, I'll be using 2 cups of flour. Now I'm going to measure out 1 teaspoon of baking powder and also 1 teaspoon of nutmeg for that flavor. I'll mix everything together. You can see the recipe is coming together, and this is 1 sachet of milk. You're adding the milk so that it will taste more rich. I'm adding sugar for sweetness. That's 1/4 cup of sugar, and this is also 1/4 cup of butter or margarine. This is salted butter. That's why I didn't add salt to this recipe. So I'm just going to mix everything together and ensure it's crumbly like in nature. You can see that the butter is incorporated with the dry ingredients. Then I'm going to break 1 egg into a bowl and beat the egg. Always break your egg separated from your dry ingredients, and I'll be adding vanilla extract flavor. I want these bread buns to taste really nice. That's why I'm using 2 different flavor, the nutmeg and the vanilla flavor. So I'll now add the wet ingredients, which is basically egg and the vanilla flavor with the dry ingredients, and this is also water. You can replace the water with milk if you just want to make this snack at home and eat it. But if you are selling, please use water to be able to make profits. So I'm just going to incorporate everything together, ensure everything is mixing well. I added a little bit of water because there was still some flour there, and you don't want to be seeing dry flour. No, you want your dough to look like this. So you're just going to continue mixing, and here I'm kneading the dough. I just want the dough to be smooth. So you can see that it's becoming smooth. I actually did not add any extra water apart from the 1/2 cup of water I used, and also any flour. This is the texture your dough should give you. This is how you know that your bread buns is going to come out really soft and yummy. So I'm just going to knead it. Just this thing didn't take me up to 10 minutes to do, so I'll take a tablecloth and just allow this to rest for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, it's time for us to start this snack. So I'm just going to use a rolling pin to roll out the dough. You're going to roll out the dough till it's flat, but not too flat. We still want our dough to have life in it. So I turned to the other side and just roll it out. Please don't forget to flour your surface so that your dough will not stick to the surface that you're rolling it on. So you can see that my dough didn't actually stick to the surface. So I'm just going to roll this dough. You can see that bread buns is not capital intensive. You don't need to buy new things to be able to make them, and they are easily accessible. And students, workers, a lot of people take this snack, especially where I live. Like, we have a woman who sells this every morning, and she sells out. I'm even one of our customers. So if you're looking for something that is not going to stress you and will provide daily income for you, try out this recipe. Oh, I use flour and water to be able to seal that edges out so that it will not open when it is being fried. So I'm just going to use my pizza cutter. You can use your knife to cut this into similar shapes or similar sizes. You can see that it's almost the same size. So this is our bread buns before frying. So in a frying pan, you can use a pot if you want to conserve oil. I'm going to pour in vegetable oil into this hot fry pan. This fry pan is on fire, and I kept something, that's flour, into it to test this oil whether it's ready for me to fry my bread buns. It's a technique to frying bread buns because the inside looks like bread. You want it to be properly fried. You don't want to see raw dough when you open your snack. So as the oil is hot, as you're putting in your bread buns, you're going to reduce the fire so that it will just be frying on medium heat, not high heat, medium heat, so that your bread buns will not brown quickly outside and then inside it will still be raw dough. We don't want that. And I noticed that in some other places these bread buns have a name. Me, I know it as bread buns. I can't remember. Someone was telling me that it has another name, but I can't really remember the name. So if you know the name, please drop it in the comment section. So our bread buns is ready. This frying did not take up to 3 minutes on medium heat. So my people, where are you watching from? I'm recording this video from Ibadan State in Nigeria. After frying, put your bread buns in a sieve to drain out excess oil. And this is the amount of oil that is left after frying, so it doesn't take up a lot of oil. This is our bread buns after it was cooled down. You can see that this is very soft. Your bread buns does not need to be hard. It's bread and buns, combination of both, so it should be soft. So I'm just going to open this to check whether it's properly fried and cooked. You can see there's nothing like raw dough in this. I'm even going to open this thicker part for you to be able to see that it's fried properly. So let's move on to cost breakdown. How much did we use to make this bread buns? So to get these bread buns you saw in the video, I used 2 cups of flour, which cost 500 naira, 1/4 cup of sugar, which is 150, milk 200, egg 250, baking powder 100 naira, nutmeg 150, butter 200, and oil 1800, which has a total of 3350 naira, which gave me this amount of bread buns. Packaging for the bread buns should be simple. It's a simple snack, so just this transparent nylon is okay. This is a sealable bag, which is beautiful, and you can sell it in multiples of 3 or 2 to maximize profits. To make 10,000 naira from selling bread buns is very possible, because this is an everyday snack which everybody eats and it's cheap to make. So start this business today. Don't say I did not try for you. I've tried, and you can check my channel for other video recipes and other profitable business. Thank you so much for watching.